6:23. It's currently 6:23 and I just woke up. Kasi halata naman. Wow! Hala, ang huli. Wow! Early birds. Tingnan mo, pati. Welcome mga vlogger! Live! Lloydie! Vlogger! Ay! Pasweet ka na siya. Si ano eh, si Miss Sign Language eh. Nag-ano siya guys, laptop. Kapag cooking dinner, gano'n. Oh wait! Bakery! Hi vlog! What the f***? Yeah, sorry guys. I'm home. I look so haggard. And I'm currently eating Mommy. Hello, it's currently 9:12 p.m. and I'm doing my script for the panel discussion tomorrow. Yes. Public speaking isn't my thing. Give up forever to touch you. 'Cause I know that you feel gumawa ka na lang sa loob mo. Wala pa yung gawa. Oo, meron. Ay, may gawa. Uy, malinis! Pagkabi ko ginawa yan kasi naman ako.
An overview of key cultural and belief systems. We will also touch on the economic and industrial landscape to understand the country's development and major industry. Sabi ko, we will start with Russia. After Russia, sabihin ko lang kung sino nakita already.
Ito na yung democracy.
Such as Yangtze. The second one would be rural water access. Significant progress has been made in providing guys. Sausage. Sausage.
Mag-ingat ka palagi. Mag-ingat ka
Sweet
palagi.
pork made with chicken, beef, pork, added broth. Yes, Taylor Shish.
Hoy, mag-ay ka sa vlog.
May entry ka naman.
Andrew, say hi. Andrew, say hi. Vlog, and vlog. Wow! That's our man. Our other is busy. Censor. Can fly, Mr. Perfectly fly. How's your heart after breaking my eye?
Wala akong pera.
Settle na kami, guys. Ano? Hi! Good evening, and I'm home. I am home, and I am EP. Ishanatics.
The pear soil requires nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium so that it can grow. The peanuts, they have it in them. They have nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium.
Yes, we're going to sucking. Sucking mo tayo, di ba? Yes. Yes.
Tara na!
Sorry.
May video. Bye dito na may video.
그저 그렇게 흘러가는 하루가 때론 덜컥 두려워 뭐라도 해야 했지 어디쯤인지 너는 내게
BJ. Wow, nasa zipline. Ayun siya. Hindi niya siya masipat. Ayan. Namumula. Ito, BJ. I ordered garlic and shrimp pizza. Yes.
물었고 난 답을 하지 못했어 그토록 바래왔던 순간이 지금인지도 모른 채 그대여 나를 있는 그대로 사랑해주면 안 돼.
How do you exactly go by?
Wow, so pretty. Artist Floyd. Signature. Yes.
Ay, baka nga ba? Epidema nga ito. Magaling ka ata. Oh.
Oh shoot. Is it possible? Yes. 1 point lang. Ay, no! Saan?
So since both, baliktad na lang yung process ko. Wait lang. Baliktad yung process ko. Nauna yung operator. Dapat, unahan yung operator.
Stress na si
Ni hao. Nagmamadali na.
She, hey. Shy.
Is equal to 0 and 2 and acceptable.
Ni hao. Ni hao ma.
很好，谢谢。By Pion. Ay, ito. Oh, ito. Andrew, you answer. Ni Jiao Shen Mei Ming Zi.
Okay.
Andrew.
Any questions?
Siya you.
Sige. Number 3. Ituloy natin ang tapos. Sige. Graph of rational functions.
Okay. Ito siya ina. Pang. Ito. So, ako sabi ko ito. Ay, magawa tayo ng ano? Convo.
Hello, I'm home. So, I'll rest now. Because later, I'll do I'll get a review before our test tomorrow. Right, Bella? Yes. Yes. See? So right now, I'm just reviewing for our exam tomorrow, which is physics. So, come review with me. Yes.
봄이면 네가 찾아올까 햇살에 눈이 녹듯이 그렇게 따뜻한 봄날이 다시 또 돌고 돌아 나에게도 꼭 찾아올 거야 첫눈에 너를 알아볼까 어느새 들어왔는지도 모르게 얼었던 내 맘에 꽃이 피어나듯이 한눈에 너를 알아볼 거야 혹시나 내가 너를 못 알아봐도 나를 찾
Later this afternoon, you will be getting the self-and-peer evaluation.
Isa lang. Alaga. Sabihin ko bullying. Bullying. Bullying yun. That's bullying, guys.
Share 1 and share 2. Sino ako? Sino? Ay? Ito, parayo ko. Ano ba? Mamatay tayo din eh. Fuck you!
Hindi, may daan yan.
Hi! Jumanji. Wow! Wow!
Hi po kayo sa vlog. Hi po.
I'm just doing my thematic discussion for related studies. Yeah. And it's currently 9:59 a.m.